What's up, guys? It's your main gamer, the Ivan, and we're gonna be starting off with a video of Five Nights at Freddy Horror Island. It's just like Rake. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. Um, you gotta survive. Yeah, you gotta survive. It's just like Five Nights at Freddy. You got cameras, a gun. I'm gonna kill this guy. As soon as I see him, I'm running. I'm running. I don't care about night. I'm running. He better try to catch up to me, though. Oh, hold up. The heck? I'm gonna. Give me some ammo, bro. Give me some ammo. I see him. Hold on, bro. Get some. Come back. I'm scared, guys. I just seen him. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm scared, guys. Oh, loser. I'm outies. I'm outies. I'm outies. I said, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. But that's not why we're here, guys. We're playing a different game. This game's fun. I'm gonna download it. Then how about you watch all my Vaz videos? If you're new to this, just slap that like button right there. Like Spike. And today we're trying. In today's video, we're gonna hack Subway Surfers. So first, you go to your browser. In the browser you have, use Google. I'm not gonna put this in the description. Go to first you gotta go to Subway Surfers. Mod APK. No. Type in unlimited money. Unlimited money or coins. Then you go down, go all the way down, Android1.com. Tap on it. If it doesn't work, I really don't know. I'm using a LG. LG. Press on this. Wait until the timer goes down, guys. I want you to hit that like button if you like this video. If you play Subway Surfer and you want unlimited coins, I use this site a lot. Okay, let it download. I already used this before, so just let it download. Here go me, The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead. Let this download. I'll be back to you when it's done. It's done. I bought it. Sources is done, so I gotta go to price unknown sources. Up, press on thing. Downloads, Subway Surfers mod. On Android1.com, it gives you all the updates to the game, so you don't have to worry about getting the right version because it updates all. Some games might not work. I really don't know why, but and here goes we're gonna play some Subway Surfers hacked. Yeah, if you like this video, I want you to slap that subscribe button, slap that like button. If you like this video and you want more, just tell me any game and I'll try to hack it. in the comments. Just tell me, and I'll try. So let's go down versus, and I can do this. I'm gonna wait. You can wait and let it download, then go to it. Okay, let's do some of this stuff. It is gonna work. I tried this like a long time ago, and it worked, and it's still gonna work. If you don't believe me, tell me any game in the comments, and I'll try. And I'll do it. Like I will really do it. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna play a little bit of this. Every time I'm talking about the game I'm gonna hack, I'll play a game behind that. So, but to start off, I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. Welcome back, guys. Playing some of this. Let me turn down my sound real quick. If you think I'm lying, let's go to the shop. Hold on, guys. Something went wrong. Guys, I think I already played this, but you have all the characters unlocked, guys. All the characters unlocked. I already played this, so they gave me every single one unlocked, so you can do it too. Everything's unlocked. Everything, guys. So if you want this game, just hit that like button. I'll just put down what you want me to hack, and I'll do it. We're going with the cowboy. Let's select the board. Everything's unlocked for me because I already played this thing. And I unlocked everybody, but it saves the stuff. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, what's this? Zip zad sideways. Trying to find one. Yep, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Yep. Watch out. Watch out. Move, broski. Oh yeah. I think you have unlimited boards. I don't know, but like I don't think those 3 boards go away. Smooth drift, bruh. So yeah, I got the hack. It might give you unlimited money, but not me, cause bro. Yep, there are 3 things today. If you have unlimited money for it, that mean that I already played this game, so I have it might give you unlimited. I mean, it might give you unlimited money, but I don't know. But everything stays everything when you get stuff. So this when I die, this is the end of the video. So I hope you liked and subscribed this video. Oh, up, hold on. Let me down, cop. Cause we're about to end the video here, so I hope you liked the video. Everything's unlocked except for the dinosaur, I think. Cause you need to log in. If you have one, you can log in, but I don't have one. I used to, but I deleted it. But I'm about to end the video here before we get too much, so I hope you liked this video. Hope you subscribed and liked, cause I will. If I was a robot, I would subscribe to my own channel, cause I'm the beast. Cause I'm beast at hacking games. So thank you for watching. If you want me to repeat everything, put it in the comments below, and I'll make another video how to hack a different game, and I'll do it. I will definitely do it. Unlocked everything. Thank you for watching. I'm about to end the video. See you guys later. Bye. Actually, I gotta say one more thing. If you're new to if you're new to my channel, I hope you've liked. I need all subscribers because if you want me to hack more games, I will do so. But if I don't have no subscribers and likes, then I'm not gonna be able to hack no more games. So hope you liked. If we reach 10 likes, more than 10 likes, I will make as many videos as you want. See you guys later. Bye.